Hey guys, Anthony here with World Profit. I'm a silver member of World Profit, and I'm excited to share this brief video with you on the World Profit system, how you get started, and how you can build your business with World Profit. And it doesn't matter what type of business you have, which internet marketing or affiliate marketing program that you want to promote. You can get it all done right here at the World Profit. Okay. All right. So this is my page. You see my picture right here. Okay. I'm a certified e-business consultant. That's what CEC stands for. I'm also the number 7 top seller for the month of October. And you see my name right here on the right-hand side of the page. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about World Profit. World Profit is an affiliate program. We teach people how to build an online business, create an email list, and promote to that list. And we do this through landing pages, squeeze pages and other resources that you can easily follow and set up even if you are a beginner. Okay, it's easy to get started. So at the bottom of this video will be a link for you to get started. Just click on that link and add your name and a correct email. Make sure your email address is correct so that you can receive any updates about World Profit as well as becoming a free associate. And that's exactly what you will do. So first you start your training by going over here. You can see the start here button on the left side of the page, and you click on that start here button, and we're going to do that right now so you can get an idea. You see it says your training starts here. And this is the video all in one place. Everything that you need is right here. These are several of the videos done by George Kosh, who is the CEO of World Profit. We shows you how to do multi social media marketing. That's a video. And then other trainings that take place on Fridays at 9 a.m. every Friday Eastern Standard Time. And if you're not available and you miss it, you can always, come back to your World Profit, um, homepage and click on the start here uh, and check out some of the videos. Okay, they're very, very informative, very easy to follow, and it's pretty much step by step. Okay, everything you want to know about World Profit and how to build your business is located right here in World Profit. Besides, you'll have videos that I create for my YouTube channel, which I will also encourage you to join my YouTube channel and subscribe and like some of my training videos. Yeah, and that's how I build my business. Okay, so in order to access the training, I say you start here, or you can see at the top here, it says training. You click on that, it says start training here. These are different ad examples, a tracker that helps you monitor how many clicks your site is getting and other things. This is self-explanatory. Banners. The multi-commission system is a very good program. It's one of my favorites. 18 sites to promote and make money with, and to also promote your other businesses, including World Profit. Okay. Okay. And then you can also find under the main menu here at the bottom here on the right hand, or excuse me, on the left hand side, you will see, oh, they changed it to the Learning Center. Before it was called Boot Camp Training. So in some of my other videos, you will see that it says bootcamp training, but it's been changed to the Learning Center. All right, because you're learning how to build a business. So you've seen your first training here video. It shows you how to set up your profile, learn how to set up your commission payouts, preferences, and shows you how to get around the member area, just like I'm showing you here, but in a little bit more detail. There's a training conducted weekly, as I indicated before, but don't worry if you miss it. They're recorded so that you won't miss anything. So if you have any questions, you can also go to the Live Business Center. Okay, so let me click on here, get back to the first page. Okay, this is the Live Business Center. Actually, this is my sponsor, Luther Robinson. He's my sponsor. And, he's actually responding to some questions now in the Live Business Center. So, you can see that there is a lot to learn in World Profit, but we keep it as simple as we can. You can see my name here again because I'm actually on the homepage of World Profit. So anyone that logs in can see that I'm on as well. All right. So if you like this training video, hit that link that's below this video. Like I said earlier, get started. Make sure you put your name and correct email in the box. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that if you could subscribe to my channel and like the video. Like this recording, like this training, and if you choose to make a comment, leave a comment. Or you can also ask questions there. I will also leave my email where you can send me an email. Yeah, let's get started. All right. So, hope you enjoyed this brief training on how to get started with World Profit, how to navigate, and look forward to doing some more trainings of videos on my YouTube channel. And I'll catch up to you then. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.